agba moto shiri ike ndị be anyị na-agba moto. My brother, afụlọ m moto m fụ na Nigeria tọnụ azụ. People na-agba used cars n'obodo. An average used car gbagote na Nigeria now is 20-something million naira. My brother, how many people can afford that average used car? 27 million naira.
Beach. Every day I na on Instagram, Ghana hold this Abuja best car. About 40-something million, 50-something million. In the next 2-3 days, very early. Alone is what those motor. Oh, they're not Nigeria. That motor 50 million, 30 million, 100 million. You got how many people non Europe, Nigerians non Europe, na agba such motor. And the Gihonye na agba such motor. Also, imra no teacher azụ n'obodo Igbo here all credit. Or people non Nigeria na o cash. And we keep as well, bitch. I'm obodo Igbo dịkwa iche n'iche, you understand? And when it came to America, you know, things it don't. But with the level Europe now, bitch, obodo anyị ka Europe now. I'm telling you the truth.
My brother, onwe ejugi na. My brother, onwe ejugi. How many people na akpọ gị na phone? People not legitimate na akpọ gị na phone. How many of them na earn 1 million naira in a month?
Na Nigeria.
Yes, ndị gị na ha na.
And earn some people na earn some people na
my
Nigeria.
Brother, my brother, ask my brother, ask them some people. Ask them some people. Iwe when they get home, only even na draw. My brother, your cousins, your family members, cousins, relations, ekune some people. Let's not exaggerate. Ekune outsiders. Okay. People really close to you. How many of them they make 1 million in a month? It is sure. Be honest.
Okay, bitch, my junior brother, Ntogodiri, no Nigeria. Okay, me more from I got my dorogash. And one of those cousins in a this one. Most of them, when they make laziness, and one year chole more. Bitch, you got a carpenter now. Give me a project a lolo now. I bag decking. A carpenter bag saga nage 1.2 million koya. Yeah, about 2 people or 3 people. In the next 3 days, I could chala that decking. Okay, 2 weeks, I could chala that decking 1.2 million, 1.3 million. I did tell. And when he want to end the ala. I don't know, he went on like 30 places. Even sometimes now, give me a project in Nigeria. And I chop workers. In when zone na equal I don't call. And I chose the carpenter now. Or ili bani when the carpenter, ili bani when the plumber, ili bani when the bricklayer. And then make her and when is the worker, and when the name on. Give me a carpenter now. Abage ana 1.5 million. Give you also big work, maybe ana 3 months. Within 2-3 weeks, I'm Charlie 1.5 million don't go. Remember, these people know they pay tax. They know they pay these bills. I know here no obodo Igbo. And they got another person. Me want to na gola on 1 year like 3 times or 4 times. Don't want any such contract like 3-4 times. Then went there at least 1 million. The other day, when one of my friend on a project, so they always do plans one. Then first materials pipe and all. The electrician estimate but they turn after 1.8 million or so. Now, also suspect that electrician, you understand? The second floor and maybe those who are change electrician. It's things are nebute. You have 900,000. And the estimate came this time around. This is more than came in before. Because of when I the thing, you understand? and on obodo oyibo agwa that one bundle of pipe will 45,000 and when they call 5,000. And when that this person in this business when he make that transaction of just pipe or supplier only again of 700,000 up by one person cost supplier in a day. Imagine how many people or supplier such Europe this day. Imagine how many people are now losing their jobs like this Europe. Every day na woman na phone na chukwala no. Many people on account here na minus. You will get off somebody now. One natural 500 euro. Can we me one run or 1 or 2? I will pay you back next week. You understand? Yeah. Beach last year I'm Nigerian on 3 months before my beach. You want to get maybe na bar na ngo desperados. Boys are na ngo mater. Na ngo Hennessy. Na elishegi ke beach brother. Even had the fresh than you know making sure obodo yibo love herself.
Okay.
You understand? Ibi obodo yibo now, this Europe. I want at least somebody get go the 10-15 million. I want Nigeria can buy that 10-15 million. Majority of people in Europe now, and when that 10-15 million, I'm telling you the gospel truth. And when you an account.
Okay.
Majority of people in Europe. You understand? Let's be telling ourselves the truth. Europe now, you know, when it's road.
Okay, my brother, thank you so much. Can you go to the Yaka because people know with the experience. I think I like it. Come back here to good time. Good time. Welcome, Queen. Welcome. Oh.
Yes, Tish.
Yes. Good time. Only yenti ejugina. Yota. Ibore ego na Nigeria. Itake a loan na Nigeria. One day you are going to pay almost 50%. Ibore ego na Nigeria, you are going to pay almost 35%. My brother, Iyabu, any person name a business in Nigeria can testify to this thing in our
Yes.
And when people on the phone.
My brother.